two animals that are most likely to come wandering through a rest area are either bears or moose. And out of those two, which do you think is the most dangerous? Yeah, you are correct. It's moose.
Sparks in every move, sparks in every day, sparks on every way.
Right there. Yeah, it's pretty camouflaged now that he's not on the snow. That was pretty far out there. Let's go up a little higher. See what else we can find. Oh, this is a nice look. So this is a younger caribou. He does have a nice rack of antlers, but an older caribou would have probably about twice as much as what he has on his head right now.
Sparks in every move, sparks in every day.
Mature male.
Wow. Look at those. Look, wow.
Sparks in every move, sparks in every day.
Just goes to show how much of wildlife viewing is all about luck. Like if we were to come here right now, we wouldn't have any idea that guy's up there.
Alright, can everybody hear me? Okay, cool. Anyone know the name of the river behind me? Banana. It's glacially fed Banana Glacier. So we're going to talk about scenarios and we'll all be aware of what to do. So we'll start off simple. When you get onto these boats, you're going to want to put two hands down, two cheeks down, sit and spin on in there. This is a good spot to sit. This is a good spot to sit. If you're really little, this could be a good spot to sit. We've got a little chicken line on the inside, and then we have an OS line on the outside. You know what that stands for? Outside safety. Correct. Okay.
We're going to break up the 3 groups of 8 and 2 groups of 7.
Cool, I'm Andrea, you guys. I'm really excited to go rafting with y'all. Where are you from? Illinois, Texas. Nice. Oh, good. Is there any hungry raft guy?
I'm right here.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
My name's Tom from Tennessee. Where's everybody from?
What's-
Welcome to the biggest state. So not Chicago. Go listen this way.
You sound like you're out of breath already.
Yeah.
Yeah?
What's this at?
Whatever happens.
It's all right. Just don't post it, you know. I might have warrants.
Oh, we get a flyover.
That's where we live. It's right on the airstrip. It's kind of cool. That's also where our restrooms are. Instead of being on the airstrip, here they come flying in. Hello.
get wet? What happened? Oh, Nelly.
Not on me.
I was hoping it was on me.
Sunset Drive is quite alright with me, baby, but we can't stay here forever. The future's been too bright for too long, so take some time and get certified. I'll pump the gas and baby, we'll go driving to Interstate 75. So Kaylee, don't be afraid to come with me. There are some things that we need to see, but they're on the other side, where that green grass turns to white. Baby, you and me. Some time to acclimate a state of mind to that new horizon, cross the borderline where folks have to fight to get to us. And we could plant a garden high on that mountain with till railroad ties would sip the coffee slow, and we'd wonder why we had always settled